In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art by using an icosphere and a curve. Let's create an icosphere, and align its bottom vertex with the world center. I'll move the origin to the 3D cursor. In edit mode, Shift-Z to wireframe view. Let's select the lower vertices like this, and type S, Z, and 0 to align them at the bottom. Type A to select all, Ctrl B as in Bravo, and V as in Victor to bevel the selected vertices. To face select. I'll select one face and Shift-G to select similar by the area. Let's remove the selected faces, and Ctrl-3 to subdivide. In object mode, type S and Z to scale on the Z axis. Let's create a curve by using a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. I'll smooth the curve by typing A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha. We can shape up the mesh by scaling or moving the curve. I'll solidify the mesh. I'll add a random metallic material. Let's apply the modifiers. If Ctrl-A shortcut doesn't work to apply any of the modifiers, manually apply them. Let's use this mesh as a particle mesh on a plane. Select the sphere mesh, go to Edit mode, and rotate it. Let's randomly rotate the particles. I'll make instances real, and put them into a new collection by using the M shortcut. Let's set up the render scene. I'll use the sky texture. I'll use 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 to get the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.